Demonstration of traditional car-side graphics. Place your lettering, line it up, and again just cut it between the letterings, makes it a lot easier. Start from the top and rub down. There you go, almost done. Rub it down, keep on rubbing, make sure all the edges is down. Last one coming up. When you're finished, just peel the transfer paper off, preferably 35-40 degrees. It should come off quite easy. I'm just about to the other small message. This can be anywhere, you can place it anywhere. Just the same, rub them down, peel it off, and voila, one car side.